All right, guys, I want to go over a common question that we get often asked, and that's over wire feedability. So as we know, the wire feeding is very important to handheld laser. That's what's setting our travel speed. So if this system is set up incorrectly, you're not going to feel that push feeling, all right? We're not going to have a consistent and fluid travel speed. So the first step I have in troubleshooting where this problem's coming from is back at the wire feeder. So what we'll do is we'll pop these drive rolls and disengage them. And we're going to try to manually feed this wire with our hands. It's an 11-foot liner. This should be really easy to push through. And I can barely get this wire to come out. So that's way too much resistance to have a nice fluid wire transfer. And so what that means is that our wire adapter is pushed too far back on the nozzle, and this wire is being pinched by our weld tip, creating way too much pressure. So the way to fix that is we're going to have to reset this. So to start off, we're going to take our 3mm Allen key, and we're going to come in here and loosen the screw. All right, we'll slide this off the nozzle here. All right, and as we come back in, we want to nestle gently in the groove. There should be a groove on the back of your weld tip. That's where your wire rests in, but not press in. So as we come in, we don't want there to be an air gap where it can bend. All right, nestled it right there. Tighten this back up, and we'll go over to our wire feeder and check. All right, so we're back here at the wire feeder. Drive rolls are disengaged. We're going to test that by manually feeding this wire. You see it's nice and easy, hardly any resistance. That's exactly what we want to see to have a nice fluid wire transfer to the puddle. For more information, go to millerwelds.com or contact your local welding equipment supplier.